Welcome back, creators! We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 handy heavy-duty tools. An all-around workshop must always have handy and heavy-duty tools that can tackle various jobs. If you want the best quality out of your do-it-yourself project, then a tool that's reliable and easy to use is something you simply cannot live without. To save you the hassle of scouring the internet just to find the ideal one, we have prepared for you a selection of the best tools the market has to offer. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the handy heavy-duty tools that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the DEWALT cordless drill. DEWALT features a half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck that ensures tight-bit gripping strength. With a lightweight and compact profile, this drill is made for working in tight spaces for an extended period of time. We would also like to note that the high-speed transmissions of this cordless drill feature 2-speed variations, allowing you to choose the exact level of performance you need. In terms of dimensions, the drill measures 13.88 by 9.88 by 4.25 inches and weighs 3.64 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT cordless drill a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: robust power. The high-performance motor of the drill delivers 300 watts of power, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. High-speed transmission. The 20-volt drill can go up to 1,500 rotations per minute, making it perfect for various drilling and fastening applications. Ergonomic handle. The drill's handle is comfortable to grip, allowing for maximum control. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have a spare bit holder. The second handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the BLACK+DECKER Jig Saw. This high-performance electric saw features a 3/4-inch blade plus new curve control technology that allows you to adjust the saw's orbit in 4 customized settings. Its adjustable shoe ensures a stable cutting platform that you can adjust to make bevel cuts of about 45 degrees. We would also like to highlight that you'll be cutting effortlessly thanks to the tool's ergonomic handle and its built-in dust blower to keep your work clean. In terms of size, the jigsaw measures 11.75 by 4.38 by 9.25 inches and weighs 4.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BLACK+DECKER Jig Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: high-speed cutting power. The saw is capable of cutting wood, metal, and plastic due to its high speed of 3,000 strokes per minute. Innovative wire guard. This is to ensure that your line of sight stays clear for maximum accuracy as you cut. Effortless blade changing. You can quickly swap out the UNT shank blades without the need for extra tools. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the lock-on button is a bit challenging to engage. The third handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the SKIL Circular Saw. The SKIL Circular Saw is the ideal choice for do-it-yourself projects. It features a 2-ampere battery with a USB port built into the battery for exclusive features such as 5-minute charging. It also comes with an LED light which allows maximum vision even in areas with dim light. In terms of size, the saw measures 11.73 by 7.28 by 10 inches and weighs 7.78 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SKIL Circular Saw a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: long battery life. The saw's lithium battery features an innovative temperature management system that keeps the battery cool for maximum operating hours. Clean and smooth cuts. The saw cuts accurately and quickly thanks to its thin curved carbide-tipped blade with 24 teeth. Bevel adjustment. This allows you to cut between 0 to 50 degrees, which are the most common cutting angles. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, avoid using the saw under the sun or exposed to heat since the battery drains quicker. The fourth handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the Makita angle grinder. The Makita is a powerful and versatile grinder that's built to cut, grind, and polish. A 4.5-inch cutoff or angle grinder is paired with a 7.5-ampere battery for long-lasting performance. We'd also like to note Makita's convenient features such as a side handle that can be installed on either side of the tool, plus a toolless wheel guard adjustment that provides effortless clamping. In terms of size, the grinder measures 6.1 by 15.47 by 11.38 inches and weighs 4.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Angle Grinder a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: high durability. The grinder's labyrinth construction that seals and protects the motor and bearings from dust and debris ensures enhanced longevity. High power. The The grinder delivers 11,000 rotations per minute with a soft start feature to ensure smooth startups. Easy to use features. The grinder is equipped with a large paddle switch for easy operation, plus a lock-on and off feature for continuous grinding. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure to let the grinder rest after a few minutes of continuous operation. The fifth handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the DEWALT Impact Driver. This impact driver by DEWALT features a compact and lightweight design that allows it to fit into tight or awkward spaces. Also included is the ability to load 1/4 hex chucks that accommodate 1-bit tips with only one hand. In terms of size, the driver measures 5.55 by 9 by 3 inches and weighs 2.8 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT Impact Driver a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 3 LED light ring. This allows you to see clearly even in dim work areas. Robust power. The Impact Driver delivers 1,000 inch-pounds of maximum torque. Variable speed trigger. This allows you to choose from different speeds, enabling you to take on various tasks. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, there is no belt clip included, so consider purchasing one separately. The sixth handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the AVID Power Impact Wrench. The AVID Power Impact Wrench features a unique friction design that holds sockets onto the anvil tightly while allowing for smooth socket changes. It's equipped with a high-spec motor that ensures maximum productivity as you remove rusted-on or over-tightened nuts and bolts. Made for a variety of tasks, the maximum tightening torque of this impact wrench is 3,983 inch-pounds and the maximum loosening torque is 4,465 inch-pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AVID Power Impact Wrench a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: variable speed trigger. This allows you to control the speed of your wrench ranging from 0 to 2,000 rotations per minute. LED light feature. It enables you to see clearly even in dim working areas. Fast charging feature. You'll be able to charge its rechargeable 20-volt 3.0 ampere lithium-ion battery in only 1 to 2 hours. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the battery drains a bit faster if it takes on heavy loads. The seventh handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the ENEACRO Rotary Hammer Drill. This rotary hammer drill by ENEACRO features a 392° Fahrenheit copper wire motor that allows the drill to work for long hours without overheating. The 13-ampere industrial motor also features 5.5 foot-pounds of impact energy, which is made for heavy-duty concrete and metalworking projects. In terms of size, the drill measures 15.75 by 9.84 by 3.94 inches and weighs 18.5 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ENEACRO Rotary Hammer Drill a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: comfortable control. The rotary hammer drill features vibration damping technology that minimizes injury during operation. It also has a 360° adjustable soft grip handle to lessen fatigue as you work. Heat exhaust feature. The ENEACRO features a cooling system that provides a continuous supply of cool air, which prevents overheating even after prolonged use. Dust-proof features. The motor protection structure effectively prevents dust from entering the motor, allowing you to work in dusty environments. Extremely durable. The drill is built with an aluminum alloy housing design that ensures its durability and heat resistance. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure to test run the drill and see if it's in drill or chisel mode before you use it to avoid accidents. The eighth handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the Makita Cordless Planer. The Makita Cordless Planer features the speed and capacity of a corded planer with all the advantages of a cordless one. It features an 8-volt lithium-ion battery that ensures quick charging times. We'd also like to highlight that it delivers 14,000 rotations per minute for fast and accurate stock removal. In terms of size, the planer measures 14 by 9 by 8 inches and weighs 7.2 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Cordless Planer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: safety features. The planer features a spring-loaded stand to elevate the base and keep the blades and workpiece protected at all times. Easy to use. The blade setting system allows quick and easy blade installation, while its electric brake ensures maximum productivity. Innovative blades. The 2-blade cutter head with double-edged carbide blades is designed for optimal performance and a smooth finish. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the battery drains a bit quickly when used on larger boards, so be sure to get an extra battery pack. The ninth handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the BOSCH Orbital Sander. The BOSCH Orbital Sander features low vibration and an ergonomic design. It allows for a steady and comfortable grip while the counterweight balance minimizes hand fatigue caused by vibration. Thanks to its powerful 7.5 ampere motor and speed range of 3,300 to 7,300 rotations per minute, this tool produces consistently excellent results. In terms of size, the sander measures 15 by 6.3 by 5.5 inches and weighs 5.7 pounds. Trusted ShopPyGuy.com has ordered the BOSCH Orbital sander, a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: innovative dust box. This keeps your work environment clean by keeping dust away and allowing you to dispose of it properly. Dual mode function. The BOSCH features 2 sanding modes, a random orbit mode for normal stock removal or fine finishing, and a turbo-driven eccentric orbit mode for aggressive stock removal. High versatility. With a multi-hole pad system, this tool can use a wide variety of abrasive discs. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't come with its own tool case. The 10th handy heavy-duty tool on our list is the CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor. The CRAFTSMAN is ready for use out of the box and features an oil-free pump, which makes it durable and maintenance-free. Included in the set are an 18-gauge brad nailer, a 16-gauge finish nailer, and a 3/8-inch stapler. Trusted ShopPyGuy.com has ordered the CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor, a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: robust power. The compressor is able to generate a maximum pressure of 150 pounds per square inch. Lightweight design. The unit is conveniently portable, allowing you to carry it around for various tasks. High performance. The motor is capable of starting even in cold weather, while its 6-gallon tank ensures long run time and quick recovery. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the compressor is a bit loud during operation. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 handy heavy-duty tools which got our team at TrustedShopPyGuy.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next handy heavy-duty tool roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShopPyGuy.com again soon.